Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cow leather is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
How does this section look for the upholstery order?
It meets the thickness requirement. Note the variance here, and we can send it to the cutting table.
The cleaning stage is crucial. It removes unwanted residues and thoroughly prepares the hides for their transformation in the next step. Each batch is carefully processed and tested to achieve consistent leather quality. Every leather piece is checked before leaving the facility.